All right, so now we're doing worksheet 11.3. Remember to put your heading up so that we know which worksheet we're doing at which time. Okay, so first of all, I want you to get your calculator out and I want you to start playing with it a little bit more. So using your calculator to find the following ratios correct to 3 decimal places. Now remember, I want 3 decimal places, but we look at the 4th decimal place to tell us whether the number is big enough or not to be rounded. If you're not sure how to do that, come and show me. Come and talk to me. Okay, so put in your calculator 10 and it will open up, and I want you to put 10, 30 and see what you get. 10, 12 and 10, 78. This one is 10, 45, 10, 0 and 10, 82. 10, 53 is number 2. 10, 25 and 10, 2. All right, so starting off with worksheet 11.4. Find the value of x correct to 1 decimal place. So in this diagram, you can see we don't know what the height of that is. We know that this is 18 and we know that this is 7. What sides are we talking about here, guys? So we know that's the hypotenuse, but there's no information there, so we don't need it. We're talking about, where's our angle? Our angle's here. So this is our adjacent and this is our opposite. So O over A, we know that it's tan. We've then got to put our O first. So what is our O? Our O is opposite, okay, which is our X. So what we do is we then change this completely and we go 7 times tan 18. I want you to put that into your calculator. And that will give you the value of what this is. And remember, 1 decimal place. Please show all your working out on this, okay? Make sure your equal signs are all underneath each other as well. Okay, then we go to B. So B, we know that this is tan, and we know it's tan because we've got something going on with the opposite side, and we've got something going on with the adjacent side, okay? So we go 3 times by tan, 73, and write your answer to show all your working out. Okay, see, here we've got, where's my mousey thing? We've got 5.3 and we've got x and we've got 4.2. So we take our number, 5.3 times by tan, 42. I've got 43 here, it should be 42, equals. This was just a mistake, don't worry about that. So tan, for 5.3 times by tan, 42. All right, another one. Sure, you could do this one without even me telling you. So we've got our 2 areas here. We take our number 8.3 times by tan 25 because it's over here, the angle, 25. Find the value of x correct to 1 decimal place. So we take our 2.6 times by tan 58. We take the measurement we've got times by tan and the degree. Right, so let's do this one. This one is 16.2 times by tan 27. All right, let's look at a story sum. A ladder is leaning against a wall so that it makes an angle with the ground of 55 degrees. So there's the ladder and there's your angle here. Okay, the base of the ladder is 3.5 meters from the base of the wall. So that's this measurement here. How far does the ladder reach up the wall? So they want to know what the H is. Okay, they want to know, not up the wall, and they're calling that H. This is the ladder here, which would be your hypotenuse. So you take your 3.5 and you times it by tan 55. Right, last one. Now this one is a little bit different. The Eiffel Tower in Paris is 300 meters high. When Jan and Lindsay were having coffee on a sidewalk cafe, they measured the angle of elevation to the top of the tower as 17 degrees. So here we've got 17 degrees. How far were they from the base of the Eiffel to the nearest? So they want to know this here. Now, where this is different is tan is O divided by A. Now, our O is 300 meters, and our A, our adjacent, we don't know. Every other one, we knew what our adjacent was, we didn't know what our O was. And if that's the case, we have to go 3 divided by tan 17. So we have to divide it. So if the opposite, okay, if the opposite is unknown, if the adjacent is unknown, if the bottom one is unknown, we have to divide it, okay? So if the bottom one is unknown, we have to divide it. So it's going to look like this, 300 divided by tan 17, and then you can put in so many meters. All right, we'll carry on with that later.